Hey guys, welcome back on our fourth discussion of business organizations. In this segment, we're going to talk about partnerships. Partnerships are a very common form of doing business. A definition of a partnership is two or more people doing business for profit. Notice there's nothing in the definition that says the agreement between the people has to be written. It can be written. You can have a written partnership agreement. You can have an oral partnership agreement. Or you can have an implied partnership agreement. It doesn't make any difference how you come about that partnership agreement. It only makes a difference if you're two or more people doing business together for a profit. You don't even have to make the profit. You just have to aim towards making the profit. Okay? So, you can have a written partnership agreement where you sign everything and discuss it and negotiate it and everybody agrees and everybody signs. You can have an oral partnership. Hey, buddy, you want to sell some stuff with me and we'll make some money? Or you don't even have to do that. You can just have two or more people doing business trying to make a profit, and they are a partnership. So what difference does it make about how you come up with being a partner? Partners are owners of the business together. They do not have to be equal partners. You can have a partnership that's 90% for me and 10% for you, or vice versa. You can have 50-50, 60-40, 75-25, whatever. It doesn't have to be equal. It just has to be that two or more people are doing business together to make a profit. All right? Now, what are some of the benefits of having a partnership? Well, one, there's more people together to get the money to do the business. There's more people to share the work. There's more people to talk about and answer and try to help each other with questions and deciding what to do with the business. But there are some serious disadvantages for having a partnership. The most significant disadvantage of a partnership is that all partners are jointly and severally liable. No, it's liable to slander. It's liable for all of the partners' debts and obligations. Now, what does that mean? Jointly means that they're each responsible, and severally means that each of them is responsible for it all. So each partner is responsible for all the debt. Each. So that means if you and I are doing a partnership together and we have $1 million worth of debt, I'm responsible for it all and you're responsible for it all. And the other person that we owe the money to can decide whether to come after me or come after you. They don't have to come after both of us. They can just come after one of us. Now, if I get all of the debt and have to pay it all, which I couldn't, to tell you the truth, then I might be able to come after you for your share of the contribution towards the debt. So remember that every partner is jointly and severally liable for all of the debt. And the other thing is that personal assets are liable for the business, for the partner debts, okay? That means it's just like a sole proprietorship, that the partner's assets are liable for the business debts. So that means that all of your personal assets, your home, your car, your bank account, your stocks, your bonds, are all liable to pay these business debts. So I do not like partnerships, and I don't like them because of joint and several liability of the partners, and because all of your personal assets are liable to pay the partnership debts. There are better ways to set up businesses so that you do not have to face those kinds of problems with your business setup, okay? So try to remember that partnerships are in general not a very good way to set up your business. Now, in the next week, we're going to talk about limited partnerships, which may be better than general partnerships, which we've been talking about right here. So anyway, I'll see you next time when we're going to talk about franchises.